Yes, welcome back to our session. So here we are going to discuss about the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Right, the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. If a current is passing through a conductor, what will happen? Yes, of course, magnetic field is produced. So due to this current, the magnetic field is produced. Right, that is why we are saying that is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Right. So here what you are going to do in the sense, we are using one circuit, and that circuit we have placed one compass needle parallel to that conductor, right? So if you are placed over that electric circuit, that compass needle deflected. Yes, the deflection of compass needle is due to, yes, of course you know very well because we have learned in the last session, right? The deflection of the compass needle is due to, yes, the magnetic field produced due to the current carrying conductor, right? Yes, okay. Here what we are going to see in the sense, what direction the deflection of the compass needle will go, either east direction or west direction, right? For that, how to we should identify the direction of magnetic field? Yes, of course, we should use right hand thumb rule. Yes, right hand thumb rule. If it goes in upward direction, current direction is indicating my thumb, right? It goes in upward direction, that time deflected in the west direction, as in that this is north, this is south, yes, east, west. So if it goes up, the magnetic field will be deflected in the west direction. Suppose downward direction, in the sense the deflection will goes to east direction, right? East. Yes, okay. Now move on to our topic, the magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. So here I have draw one circuit. Here I have battery. Okay. So this is battery. So in that battery I have a series of 3 cells. This is the first cell, second cell, third cell. I connected in series, and I connected one key here. Okay, and then this is a straight line conductor, right? So this area is straight line conductor. This one is called compass needle, right? The shaded point is called, we are saying that north pole for our reference, and another point out, now unshaded portion is south pole, right? And here I note down the direction of the all 4 direction: north, south, east, west. Yes, okay. Now what I am going to do, initially I am going to place this compass needle. How it will be look like? Exactly north pole and south pole. So what is the north direction here? This is the north one, this is south, and this is east, and this will be west directions, right? So fit this equation, this direction as here. It will be like that. So north, south, east, west, right? Look at here, this is a straight line conductor. How the direction is coming from is top to down. Therefore, the current direction in the downward direction. We need to use right hand thumb rule, right? So the downward direction means it should deflect towards east direction. Yes, east direction. Yes. So the compass needle of the north pointed is deflected in the east direction. The same scenario, but I am going to change the polarity of this battery. Polarity means this plus minus. I am going to change, this side is minus, this side is plus. So here you can look at, I change the polarity. Yes, so plus, minus, I have. But here you will see plus, minus, right? So I interchange the polarity. So what will happen? The current direction also change. So look at here, the current is always flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal, right? So here we have the positive terminal is here, therefore the current will flow in the positive terminal to negative terminal. Look at here, in the both the diagram, the direction of current is changed, this reverse, right? Just opposite direction, right? Therefore this compass will also be deflected in the opposite direction. This is the concept here, right? So if I change the polarity, the current flow from here, and this part is called straight line conductor. This one is straight line conductor. Again we need to put the directions here. Okay, north, south, east, west. So initially the compass needle exactly is located in the north-south direction. When if you open this key, if you close this key, what will happen? The current flow in that circuit. Look at here, the current flow is from bottom to top. That means the current flow towards upward direction, right? Out of the paper. Yes? Yes. So if you are placing this compass needle parallel to this straight line conductor, the compass needle will be deflected towards west direction. So this one, right? So whenever the deflections get confused, use your right hand and thumb should indicate the current direction and the rest of the fingers indicating magnetic field direction. So it will deflect towards west directions, right? So here it is deflected in the east direction and here it is deflected in the west direction. Why the deflection is changed? Because we have changed the polarity of the battery, so that the direction of current is also changed. Due to that, the deflection also changes, right? So this is the concept here we have. So here I have wrote the deflection in the needle becomes opposite when the direction of current is reversed, of course. So here the direction is towards this side, right? And look at here, the direction of current towards that side. The direction of current is reversed, right? And when an electric current is passed through a conductor, the magnetic field is produced, and this phenomena is called magnetic effect of electric current. This is the topic name, right? We should know what is called magnetic effect of electric current. When an electric current is passed through a conductor, the magnetic field is produced, and this phenomena is called magnetic effect of electric current. So what I am going to conclude here, the compass needle get deflected in the opposite direction when the polarity of the battery is changed or the direction of current becomes reversed, right? I hope you understood well. Thank you. See you in the next video.